This is my ghost glass. It likes to move across the desk by itself. Let's see if it's going to do it. It started doing it. What happens is if you have something cold in the glass sweats, it gets water around the bottom of it, and then as the last bit of ice melts, cold stuff goes away and the glass starts to warm up, the air underneath here expands. As it expands, it lifts itself up and it literally will float along on the water, on the condensation that is left around the bottom. I had just started. Let me see if it's going to keep doing it. You can see that it's floating. If I just barely touch it, the glass will rock. See that? This table is just sloped just the tiniest bit this way, and that's all it takes. I'm going to try this again, recreating the situation. This is my glass. It's just got ice in it and some juice, and it takes about 20 minutes or so after I finish drinking all of it for this to start up. So again, it's got to be a humid day. It's about 80% here right now, and the glass has to sweat just the tiniest amount of water. If there's a big ring of water, it won't work. I don't know why. But after I finish, the glass will start to warm up. It'll lift itself up. If you attempt to mess around with a glass, it won't work. You'll get rid of the air or something. It has to happen very slowly, and then again it'll start drifting across. So this is where it started last time. I was slow in getting the camera going. There's the black dot I used as a reference in another attempt to video this. Okay, so now my job is to finish the juice, put it back, and try it again. I have to put a reference spot out there. There it's picking up a little bit of speed. Yeah, again, there's nothing underneath here. It's just floating along on a bubble of air and water. The first time this happened, it was like I thought I was losing my mind. I thought I put my glass down in one place and it's literally on the other side of the desk. So it will move along as long as it has a little bit of expanding air and enough water underneath it to keep it floating along. A little bit more. Okay, well that's about it. Oh, you saw a bubble of air come out from underneath it. That will probably kill it if the air is leaked out from underneath it. Okay, well I think that's it for this run. Hope you find it interesting and perhaps a little bit amusing.